Yousef, one of the things I observe is each year on year on year, there's an exponential growth in the data that people are having to handle. In the supply chain, data is king. How are we handling that?
So you're absolutely spot on with the exponential growth of data. I've seen that with some customers where since 2020 and COVID first came along, our digitizing of our economy has driven and created more and more data. We've had to assess and process more of that data, and we need tools to help us go through the larger data sets that we have to work through. So probably the biggest tool or asset that's on the horizon that will help us in that regard is AI. AI that has knowledge-specific, domain-specific knowledge that helps in the supply chain field, that understands anomalies, understands what a normal process looks like typically with your trading partners, understands what looks wrong or different, or maybe correlates data from outside of your typical planning data set that and you've generated, to look at how does the real world and events outside of your control come in and impact that, and then bringing that to your attention so you can make a decision to go one way or another to respond proactively to something that's happening out in the wider world.